Hey everyone, check out this amazing 10-piece terry towel set from Green Mark Textiles. Made from 100% premium cotton, these towels offer incredible softness and absorbency. Each set includes 4 hand towels, 2 shower towels, 2 guest towels, and 2 wash mitts. The dense 500 GSM fabric feels wonderfully cozy against your skin. They feature practical hanging loops for easy drying in your bathroom. Plus, they are certified by Oeko-Tex Standard 100 for safety and quality. Enjoy effortless cleaning since they are machine washable and tumble dryer safe. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.